In this quick video I'm going to show you what you should always do after upgrading a computer from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10. Okay, this is even more important if you have a small hard drive. In this case, this is a 160 gigabytes one, but some people might have tablets with 64 gigabytes SSDs and stuff like that. So you go to your Windows partition, click on it, then right click, go to Properties and Disk Cleanup. Here it will take a little bit of time for you. For me it was really fast because I have done these steps in preparation of this video. And go to Clean Up System Files. And it might take a bit of time here for me. Okay, once the initial calculation is over, in this window you simply select everything. These are cache files, temporary files, error reports, whatnot. You can read every single one of these things. It gives you an information about them, but I always select everything. And the most important thing is previous Windows installations. And in my case, this thing is about 25 gigabytes. This laptop is upgraded from Windows 7 Pro 64-bit to Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. As you can see, I selected everything, and this will clean up about 26 gigabytes. So you can realize that on, for example, a 64 gigabytes SSD, this is quite important to free up this much space. As you can see here, we have 105 gigabytes free from the 147 formatted capacity. You simply click OK at this point, then delete files, and it will start to delete them, and it will prompt us in a few moments if we are really sure that we want to delete the previous Windows installation. Because if we delete it, you will be no longer able to go back to it. I'm sure that I want to delete it because I will not be going back to Windows 7. And it's starting the deletion process, and it will take a bit of time. Okay, if this happens to you, meaning that this thing freezes somehow, there are two variants. One, like it was now, when I moved the cursor, it finished, it was just stuck, the image itself, and I've stumbled across another variant in which it stays like that, and you have to press cancel and then go to the disk cleanup process once again, but it will have almost nothing to clean because the 95 to 99% of the files are already deleted, so it will be way faster. But in our case, it actually did finish by itself when we moved the cursor. And as you can see here, we have 124 gigabytes free. So it didn't free up as much as it said it will, but about 19 gigabytes it did free up, which in my opinion is way better than to have them blocked with an old OS that I'm not going to go back to. So yeah, that's about it, guys. It's a really good thing to clean up these old files after an update, and it's pretty important in my opinion. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!